Well guys, welcome back to Relaxation Park, and amazingly still plenty of doves out, even though if you can, hang on, if you can just make out the road here up the side of Relaxation Park, having roadworks done. So I am rather surprised the doves are still here, they are still flying about. I'll try to get close to them. They are. They are so adorable, guys. Very gentle as well. If you have got a bit of food for them, they will come eat it at your hand. There they are, guys. Now the funny thing is, just let me double back on myself. The very funny thing is, guys, if we come down to the sort of entrance to our trade park from town, look at the sign. No feeding to doves, and oh, I thought it would have been the same on the other side, but that's just not letting your dog poo. But yeah, Benny Beats, the official album by me, Crazy Marcus, that's me guys, is out now with such brilliant songs as Benidorm Forever, Fiesta Forever, Christmas in Benidorm, EDM Dance Anthem, Benidorm Hardstyle Christmas, Fancy Dress Madness. Such great songs on this brilliant album, guys. Total of 10 songs for €10. Brilliant price, guys. Get it now. The link is down below. Perfect Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want to give someone, it's the best gift to give. Benny Beats the album, guys. All made by Crazy Marcus, me. Best album ever. And on this other side, no feeding the doves yet. Funnily enough, feeding the doves has become a sort of tourist attraction here in Benidorm, to be honest. This little store here, you get a bag of birdseed from him. I think it's maybe about €10 if I remember rightly. And yeah, soon as the doves see you get it, they will go rather crazy. And as you can see, they will sit on you, they will eat from your hand. If you want to see how crazy they go, there is a video I done last year, I think it was, feeding the doves with scooter soup, and yeah, it were crazy. Gonna head round this side round by the little fountain area where they like to chill, guys. They are just so beautiful, guys. Look at them. I won't sit down on the bit by the fountain to film them, but it is too dirty. They are. Little Fanta. That one's got a bit of pink on him, whether he is not related to the famous Benidorm pink dove. who knows, but they are very beautiful things, guys. And well, as you can see, the fountain they have got, it is quite a big little area for them to have a drink, have a bit of a wash. Zoom in there. Of course, you do always get one who sits on one of the spouts, having a bit of a butt wash. And of course, the fountain does come alive at night when it's all lit up. However, the doves at night, they do tend to go up in this tree here, overlooking the fountain. That is a sort of little hidey hole type thing, and they all hide in there. But yeah, great thing to do if you're in Benidorm, guys. If you've got a bit of time or you want some good pictures to remember your holiday, just come down, buy some birdseed, maybe like a bit of bread even, and just spend a couple of minutes feeding the doves. And well, of course, once you have done that, you've got Pontiente Beach in the background, so yeah, there we are. Pontiente Beach in the background. So like, once you've had enough feeding the doves, have a bit of a beach day, go have a bit of a chill on the beach. And if you're wanting a drink or some food, Yellow Submarine just there. Perfect place to go. But yeah, just give you a sort of different look at the fountain. Probably been, oh wait, where are we? There we are. Think it's maybe having a bit of a clean done down below in the pipes, hence why you see that metal door bit open. But yeah, the doves are still out. They are still here to play, create some good pictures for you. And trust me, it is a good holiday moment and a good laugh as well. And of course, if your kids get bored as well, guys, you do have kids play area just throughout Elche Park. You have some swings here, then further on down like climbing frame sort of play area, which is absolutely perfect for the kids. I would say Elche Park's always quite peaceful, quite like a relaxing area to come and chill, but I mean, it's not really, is it? Well, at the moment it's not anyway, when you've got like big blooming digger doing like roadworks. I'm gonna take a lucky guess and say they're probably doing some more like sewage work, even though they have done it like multiple times. As you can see though, the other half of the play area's been closed off, but I think maybe the main big climbing frame further down, that would still be open. I appear to have lost my on. Alright. Anyway guys, so yeah, if you are lost for something to do, head on down to the old town, come on down to Elche Park, and yeah, spent a couple minutes feeding the doves, getting some great pictures to remember your holiday here in Benidorm. And yeah, maybe have a beach day on Poniente, which is just behind us there. And before I forget as well, Benny Beats, the album link down below. Still tea your way for 10 songs. And as always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios.